Best Amazon product scoring algorithms. Amazon product scoring algorithms evaluate how well a product performs based on factors like sales, reviews, pricing, and relevance. These algorithms help determine product rankings in search results, influencing visibility and conversion rates. A strong product score signals quality, popularity, and customer satisfaction, helping products appear higher in searches. Optimizing for these algorithms means maintaining excellent customer reviews, competitive pricing, and relevant keywords. Consistent sales performance and high click-through rates also improve a product's standing. Sellers who focus on listing quality, accurate descriptions, and strong imagery are more likely to see better rankings. Helium 10 helps sellers understand and improve their product scoring metrics. Its tools analyze keyword relevance, track ranking movements, and measure listing optimization to ensure every factor aligns with Amazon's scoring system. Many top sellers rely on Helium 10 to continuously refine their listings and maintain strong algorithmic performance. You can start using Helium 10 for free today by clicking the link in our description. It gives you advanced analytics, optimization insights, and tracking tools to help you boost your Amazon product scores and maximize visibility effortlessly.